Hey, what is up you guys? So I am back working on the Celica, and let me show you what I got going on. So one of the things about this is I broke the heater core when I tried to take off the hose. This is years ago. Right now I'm at the point where I need to get the cooling system going again, and figured if I'm going to do it, I want to do it right. It's nice to have heat in the car. We're going to work on while I have the dash apart. Probably the best time to get that thing out, and then I'll JB weld it and should fix it right up. So this is the part here that broke off, and it basically goes right here, and then, sorry the lighting's not great, but that goes down right into there. So let's get this thing pulled out. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is take off that hose for the other end. If you look way back there, you can see where it's supposed to come out for the other one that broke off. So let's get to it. Alright, so a little secret on these, you spray a little bit of WD-40 on there, it'll make them slide right off. A lot easier. I think that's how I broke the other side, was it was just so crusted on there that didn't really want to come free. So there you go, got that one out. Alright, so now we're going to go get the inside ones taken care of. This will be fun. Alright, so it looks like I've got a bolt right there, and I got one right down there, and I'm assuming, alright, I see it, it's right there on the driver's side. So I'm hoping it's just 3 bolts. Let's see if it moves. Got this little support bracket right here. I think I need to unbolt that somehow. Okay, that's right down here. Let me get that real quick. Alright, so I got that bracket out of the way. Right here. And it looks like these are like a little plastic insert for the front vent, so I'm going to take that out. Categorize that right there. What's this thing go to? Oh, we have a mystery wire. Maybe a ground? I don't know. Alright guys, I just looked and we are free right there. No, that was not that bad. But then again, I had a head start because that dash was already ripped apart. Alright you guys, it is out. Really wasn't that bad. There was one clip here for the cord, just slipped right off, and then the other one was right there. I would just get a new heater core, but they are discontinued. There's nothing out there at all, so gotta try to work with this one. We'll see. It's really not that bad, just slides right out of here pretty easy. And this here kind of messed up, but I think JB Weld will fix that no problem. It does, unfortunately, on the bottom it has a sign that it was leaking. Probably just have to have it get re-cored. If I was just putting that pour back on, I'd just JB Weld it and call it good, but not gonna be that easy, unfortunately. But I think for right now, I'm going to put the radiator in. So at least I'll get that part done. Before I get the radiator in, there is one thing I do need to take care of, and that's this positive wire here for the MSD. You need to figure out where I'm going to route that, and how I'm going to connect it to the battery terminal. Alright, so I think I figured it out. I got this off my parts harness, and what I'm going to do is basically put it right in here through that bolt, and then find another nut, and then I can wedge that right up against there, and should have a good connection. And yeah, I don't know, seems like the best option right now. Alright, so that did worked out really good. So now I just gotta connect this with this and should be pretty good to go. So I have the radiator in, new hose on, hose clamps, pretty close to getting started here. In fact, you could probably fire it up right now. It's tempting. I do kind of want my dad to be here for it. No, it's kind of a personal thing. Anyways, let me show you what I got here. Looking pretty good. You can see that wire that I hooked up, nice and out of the way. Alright guys, awesome news. I just found that O'Reilly's actually carries my heater core for $54.99, and it does say 1984 Celica heater core, but I found out through Rock Auto that the heater cores are the same from 76 to 1985. So, looking at the pictures, it was definitely the right part. So, heck yeah. Alright you guys, so that's going to do it for this video. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace. It's cold out. Anyways,